this basement, it's a finished space, so we could have our concrete, but we had Enos Art come in here and do us an epoxy. So what they did is come in here and add the color to it. So we tried to make our concrete lighter here, but actually add some features into it. And you can see there's different little sections. And so when you start looking in here in the bathroom, we recessed our slab when we did it so we could have a zero threshold going right into our showers. So you can see this concrete goes right into where this tile is, and then we can just go straight in here. So made it just a seamless look and added some textures or color to the floor that you wouldn't have normally seen from that cold gray concrete floor, and really lightened up this whole space that made this basement even feel big than it really is.